Good day, everybody. We're at the Loft today to have lunch. We're going to meet up with some friends. It's a really nice place. I like the atmosphere here when you first go inside. They have other shops in here other than just the Loft. Nice little tables. You can come out here and eat or have your coffee. Oh, they even got a walk-up window. I didn't see that before. Nice big table for events or extra people. Nice atmosphere inside here. Little Harley Davidson. Swadee Kap. Here in the same building, you've got the Glam Lash Studio, and right next door is a nail salon. And upstairs, they've got two other floors that they're going to rent out to do other projects. If somebody wants to rent one of these rooms, just come in and talk to the people here in the Loft Studio. Then upstairs on the third floor here is a gym, but it's not open as well. Somebody wanted to operate a gym. The negative to this area here is the parking is not the greatest. Unless you work something out to park in the government parking lot across the street. Hello ladies. Welcome to the Loft for lunch today. We found this place while we were on our morning walk a few days ago, and we walked in to check it out, and we were really impressed with the place. So we wanted to take you along with us and have lunch with our friends. Actual avocado slice on top. Where's yours, Kwan? Oh, you get the same thing?
No, I have orange juice, lemon.
Oh, and I got the mango pistachio. Really good. Kwan finally got her orange smoothie. What? Orange lemon. What? Orange lemon. Why do you want?
I will to eat to drink something sour, sweet sour.
We're just waiting for our food to come now. Only one that got their food is Jai so far. Kwan got crab fried rice, and it looks a little bit different than what we usually get. It's actually got chunks of carrots and peas. And looks good though. And here comes mine, club sandwich. This is our first time to eat here, so we're going to see how good this is. Okay, Andy, what'd you get?
Pomanyang, which is the pork neck with rice.
Okay, and I got onion rings. So I'm eating pretty much Farang food today. Eating Farang. Okay, for our meal today, we were 532 baht. I don't know, it's like $16, $17.
Free.
And we got a free drink, a raffle, a drawing. And Kwan got free. No, what did you get free? You got the
Spring roll.
spring rolls, spinach spring rolls. So it's a nice place. It's very nice in this little courtyard inside here too. That's a cool table. It's part of a trailer. Check out my pad see ew. That looks really good. It's different looking than what I'm accustomed to having, but it looks really good.
อย่าง
And
เปิดสั่งก่อน
spinach, what spinach sticks, and avocado smoothie.
อันนี้คือลาบคอหมูย่างนะคะ ยังไม่เคยทานจะลองดูว่าเป็นยังไงบ้าง ดูน่าทาน
So anyhow, if you're in Surin, Thailand, come to the Loft Cafe and Bistro. Had pretty good food. Check out this bicycle. Just fold it in half. This is new to me. So this was a great meal we had here. Andy and Juan said at least a good option for us to go to another time. So if you like our content, please reach down and mash the like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. This is Bobby and Jai with time to get going.
out